Hello, Read 180 students. This is Miss Millwood, and as we discussed in our previous videos, we are currently working in the Read 180 workshop Under Pressure from our book. And the first article that we read about was about the young man Eric and the tragedy on the train inspired by peer pressure. Now we're moving to our second article in this workshop, and it is entitled The Secrets of Self-Esteem. So just like we would normally while we're in class, we are going to start by reading it together. In your assignment sheet, you will see the documents that you will need to be able to read it on your own again for a second time. But for the first read, we're going to read through it together. So if you take a look, you have this image of a young girl. She's looking in the mirror. I don't know. She doesn't look too happy with what she sees, it seems to me. And the title again is The Secrets of Self-Esteem. So it says here at the very bottom, teens have lower self-esteem than anyone else. Do you think that's true as you interact with your friends and siblings and others who are your same age group? Do you feel like they struggle with self-esteem? Well, let's read this article together and see what we can get out of it. So you can follow along with me on the screen, or you can pull up your own document that you have in your class assignment page if you prefer to read through it that way. So let's begin. Um, Pardon me, let me just move my little box over. Thank you very much for your patience. And here we go. Many teens are in big trouble. Every day they deal with a constant problem. The problem is pressure that comes from inside themselves. It is called low self-esteem. Self-esteem means liking and respecting yourself. People with high self-esteem are comfortable with their unique identities. They know their own strengths and weaknesses. They are proud of who they are. Authorities say that teens have lower self-esteem than any other age group. Many teens wish they were more popular or better looking. They have little self-confidence. They wish they were anything but themselves. Looks that kill. Many teens worry about looking good. They think that looking better will make them happier. Why? Beautiful people are often treated better by others. Kids in school care about how you look, says 12-year-old Isabel Mendez. They don't care who you are on the inside. Some teens try to raise their self-esteem through extreme diets or drugs. They'll do anything to look better. Girls sometimes think trendy diets will fix their problems. Experts say that 39% of girls in 5th to 8th grade are on a diet. Some boys also have problems with body image. They think the solution is to bulk up. Too many teens take drugs to build muscles. Diets and drugs aren't solutions. Diets can make you tense and tired. Drugs can damage your body and even kill you. Strong on the inside. What is the solution to low self-esteem? Try not to focus on things you don't like about yourself. Instead, learn to recognize and appreciate the person you are. It's a challenge, but it will work. Also remember that you are a teenager. Ask adults about their teen years. Chances are they'll remember feeling low self-esteem too. Your low self-esteem will improve as you get older. However, there are things you can do today to help yourself feel better. What are they? Check out these tips. 3 secrets of self-esteem. 1, lend a hand. Doing things that benefit others can build your self-esteem and confidence. Do you enjoy spending time with kids or the elderly? Are you good with animals? Share your skills. Volunteering can give you a chance to shine. 2, find a mentor. Look for someone who can give you good advice. Maybe it's a teacher, a coach, or even an older relative. Mentors can help you understand and deal with your feelings. Get involved. Find something you like to do. Join a school club, try out for a sport. Convince your friends to do an activity you think might be fun. Being busy can be a good thing. If you focus on doing something fun, you'll stop focusing on your imperfections. Lastly, just try to remember one important thing. You won't be a teen forever. Oh, yeah, that is so true. As someone who has been a teen and no longer is, it seems like those teen years can be so long, but looking back, they go so quickly. So, as we read through the article the first time together, were there any details that were surprising to you, or was this all stuff that you know from your own experience, or from watching people that you know go through it? So, we've read the article one time together, and what you will do next is I want you please to read through the article a second time on your own. After you've read through it the second time, I'd like you please to go ahead and complete the Google Doc, which is attached to this assignment. It will be the same activities that we normally would do as we go through the Read 180 articles that we read together. So all of these things on the side will show up, but it'll just be in your Google Doc format. And as you read through a second time, um, pick up on some of those target words we're working on. I know as I was reading them, I was like, oh, that's a word that we were working with in another unit, like unique. If you remember, we were working on with the word unique, and there are other words that you should find familiar as well. So the secrets of self-esteem, at least beginning this at least beginning this activity is your homework for this week. So reach out if you have questions or if you have concerns. Mrs. Whiteside and I will be available at our regular time at 9:30. We'll be available on Sunday this week, and we will be available on Tuesday this week. So we hope that you'll pop in so that we can chat, so that we can see how you're doing, and so that we can provide clarity if clarity is something that you're needing. And if nothing else, it's just so lovely to see and hear your voices. It's been so long since we've been together. So again, you will read through the article one more time on your own and then complete the Google form, which has the information from the sidebars of our book. Thank you for your attention, and we will look forward to hearing from and seeing you soon. Have a great day. Bye.